to
today we are going to discuss on the topic of online versus offline. So for online, for supporting is with the flow, the people are Satvik and Surya, and against the flow, which is offline, myself, Shravan, and Palak and Nikhil on the opposite side. So we can continue the session. We begin the session.
okay. We are at the online flow. In online, we can find number of varieties of different brands and different colors, irrespective of clothing, food, and all.
But in offline shopping, you can understand the quality of the material, but sometimes in online shopping, like it shows something and we'll get something else. Like the quality will be not nice and they'll not return it also.
And we have an option
What
in
exactly
online
is
to
it?
exchange. Like
What
No, like
exactly
not
it is?
some of the
You see
brands,
you see some color in the online. Why if you see it by in physical one, you'll see it a different color.
It's a graphical
It
representation of the
always
product.
won't be similar. It's not only any scenario. It won't be
but
similar.
if that happens, we have an
Mainly,
option called return option or exchange
no,
option.
like
see how
some of the
Only few
like
products
apps and
have
all,
that thing.
If you have
Uh,
birthday on in between that, you'll get you get your clothes by next
And
week.
there
Is it
there
okay?
you will
we
show
have
you
we
can
have fast delivery things, right? Fast delivery.
fast
Like
delivery,
with
yeah,
and
but
delivery,
moreover
offline we
Even
can
it's
get
a
not
fast
every area
delivery,
whatever
delivery
we
fast.
want.
should be delivered around 20. It will take around 24 hours, not less than 24 hours.
And
Only
in
major
offline,
cities will
get
get
it
fast delivery.
as soon as possible. Like we'll go and we'll just buy it.
No,
For
but
clothing, you see that you won't get the fast deliveries. I don't think there is any shopping app. It's less than 2 days serving deliveries.
we have
Yeah,
fast delivery options, right? We have fast delivery options, so we can
but it will charge us
order.
more. It
For
will
every
charge us
product, it's
more.
not available. Most of the products, it will take around seven
And
to 4 to
even
7 days.
they'll show that, right? They'll show that
and
thing
delivery
what
time
7.
delivery day will be shown there, and moreover it saves time, and the delivery is given door to door. We don't need to travel to any shop on, considering nowadays its time is now
They'll
we can't find time. We can
they'll
instead we can see in mobile and all.
See,
There are many brands available
if
in
you didn't
online.
get the right item, we have to waste some more time to return it. Even the
Instead
return
we can
takes a lot
place
of
two
time.
items, instead we can place two sizes, like it with the
You need to play
cloth.
you need to pay double amount then.
We
Yeah,
will
yeah,
get refund, no?
Anyhow, we'll
we'll
be getting
start
return for
And
that,
moreover
right?
we can find discounts, 50% discount, whereas in store we can't find it. They will
no.
put all the
If you
employees.
find those in the store, you'll get more 50% discount if you
Yeah,
No,
in
no,
store.
it's not the thing, because they
It's
have
not
to
like that.
pay the employees salary, they have to pay the rent, electricity, they will put all the charges to the customer.
see,
While
in
buying, we
offline you
shouldn't
can
consider all those things. We should
see in
concentrate on
offline you
more
can
on
negotiate.
what we are buying.
In super like malls and all, we can't negotiate the things. Like in online, we'll be having some type of coupons by purchasing and all, doing transactions. We'll get in phone pay, Google Pay and all, we'll get some coupons and we can use that, and we'll get more discount than shop if we negotiate.
You're telling exactly opposite. It's not we are not able to
See,
negotiate in the
they'll increase
shopping
the
apps.
price and
It's possible in the physical way.
Yeah,
Offline we can.
what I'm telling is in
Just 20% of the 20% of the stores don't let you to negotiate. Around 80% of the stores lets you to negotiate with them.
but
because they
we
want
don't
to
get
sell their products.
like in normal stores we don't get the quality, right? They just do business for that, just selling and all purpose. Like their
Only
motive is to
20%
just
will
sell. Like the
For the
quality we
branded
don't
item,
find
they
in
will
that
not
thing.
give for less quality. Even they have to meet their requirements. For the branded one, they will put some limit,
but
they have to sell it at 40%.
yeah, they'll send the correct item. But what if the delivery boy he changes the item and we get something else and they don't return it again?
Yeah,
They will
even a
put
lot of
that.
We
cases are
have
there like
customer
that.
care
Even
services
if you
for
buy a
that.
mobile phone, you got a brick in that. After opening, you got a
Yeah, it
brick
will take
and
a lot time. But if we want it immediately, like offline is the best option. it will take some, like, again we have to call the help center and it will take more 5 to 6 days.
Even sometimes the help center
Even in
won't.
emergency, we
They're
don't shop,
helpless.
right? Like in that emergency time, that is exceptional case. But emergency, we don't shop. Any if we go to our the real shop, also we'll just buy for a festival 2 to 3 days before itself.
Like even most of the people also prefer online nowadays, so that they are online. Is all apps are getting demand. Even people also like it that.
Like shop, many people will be coming. Like many people, like if I like that one, he might like the same one. But two people can't fight for one thing. So in
Yeah, but
online, we
they'll have
have different
sizes
like.
over there. They'll have like extra sizes for the same product.
But
And the quality
all of
differs
you are
from
aware
online
of
to offline. The quality differs
continue,
from
Nikhil.
online to offline. Yeah, the quality
Yeah.
differs from online to offline because when you try to order something, you might get some other second quality item or which is for not in a good quality also. There are a lot of
currently we are
cases like that.
having the one of the reputed online things, so we they don't do that kind of things, I hope. Why? Because their reputation should be increased, and they if they provide that kind of quality, their names would not be reputed
See,
as now.
you know how this online works. There are few dealers of the same product who are selling the same products to the offline stores. The discounts who are giving are the banks, not the online one. The bank will negotiate with the online partner and give the discounts.
Whatever they may be, at the end, customer will get benefited, right?
No, you are thinking the customer will get benefited only if you see when you find a sale which is called in famous apps like Flipkart, Big Billion Day sale. They'll sell what is left in their products. The dealers who are present in there, they will sell what is left, which are in storage.
Even in
The dealers who
Not
are
the
unable to
no.
sell
store
those
also, in
products
Could
are
you
able to
find
sell through online.
Sean, just a second. Could you find any new item getting for less cost when it
You
was
can
released
in
before?
store we cannot get many brand items like
In
some Excel
online,
sizes and all we can get, but whereas in online we can get that Excel
in
sizes.
on
Sorry.
actually, as my opponent raised a point, like sale will be like they'll give only the leftover thing. Even in shop also, they'll be decreasing the money and price will be decreased, and they'll be selling the cheap quality one. Right. Same thing is happening in same online and offline, as my opponent is saying.
in
Yes,
online
before
they tell
buying.
them have a sale, but then after the taxes, after the delivery charges, the amount will come like the normal price only. It's not
Yes, we
like
can
they
same time here too. The amount will be equal in most of the cases. So
yeah.
it's better to go to nearby shop and buy it. Why should we waste our one day time?
They'll take some 100 rupees for delivery charges and taxes.
Not
They'll take some
everything. Like if the person is buying around above 1,000 rupees, the delivery charges is free.
yeah,
And
but that is exceptional
in
case. Like
offline
every
store,
every app they'll not
Even
allow that.
even it
whereas
is
in
less than the
offline store
margin
they
they are
will,
getting.
yeah,
The
whereas
discount
in
they
off
are giving is less than the margin they are getting. That's what you should keep in mind.
and whereas in offline store they will put all the rents and electricity bill, salaries, parking charges, everything they will put in order to pay that one. Whereas in online it's not
But
the
they,
case.
in offline, they can display their item like nicely and they can present it. And the quality we can check like by going and like we
Before
can
buying the
check the
item, we can check the product whether it is whether we can buy it or not.
Like we'll be knowing something like branded one, like there will be reputed one, and they will be providing a good quality, right? So we need not to check. If we fear for that reason also,
See,
we have a
if you buy a brand, it is not online or offline. It will be a brand. That's it. There's no quality issues in that.
we cannot give an
The
we cannot
platform
give
you
an
choose is
assurance that they
important.
are giving like the retailers are giving the same thing. They may do some logo printing, and they may sell you the goods. But in
That is
online we
actually
have
other
all
way. In
surveillances
online,
things,
the
right?
it's a like the logo change and all. It will happen in online more because we are going to the like the brand company. Like how will they cheat and they'll change the logo? But in
If
No,
that
online,
happens
it will
in
happen a
online,
lot.
if that happens in online, this to apps under Myntra and Flipkart or Amazon, it will not survive for this long and it will not get hike this much. Like general public will not believe in that if that happens. Whereas if one or two, if the cases may happen, it's all because of the delivery boy. If the police complaint and has been, if we raise police complaint and all, we can get our charges. Instead, in online, we can get what we have paid extra. Like if the item is 50,000, we will get at sometimes 75,000. Like they will refund for wasting our time and all.
And even in
Moreover, it is
shops
like trial and
instead of,
error.
for example, for Adidas brand, they may sell like Abibas, like whatever they'll change logos and they'll sell it for cheaper
Yeah, but
prices.
in
The
not
quality will be different.
See,
branded store which we go in, they'll not do that because like if other stores if we go, they can do, but they're not the actual brand store. They'll not change the name and all. But in online, it can
But
happen.
if we go to some brand store, but we need to go to a different store again. If we did not like the shoes or whatever in that store, like we will go to another thing, that will be waste of time. In online, we select a brand, we'll get that, or another brand. Instantly we'll get another brand what we want with all specifications. That is more
but you can
easy.
visit
Like when we go
that
to the
in
shop
offline, that you
also.
can visit another shop also, no?
Even we can,
Uh,
if we can't find some item in
And
India, we can import from other country, the same brand.
it will
That's the
take a lot
facility.
of extra charges, if we
Even
take from other
excess
like
duty.
country and all.
Some members are not like they are not fixed amount the charges and all. They want the product, right? For that person, it will be comfortable.
everyone should import from others, right? Not only online or offline.
Yes, but
That
in
comes to the
offline you
same.
can't find that item. Then what are the options available then? You have to import, right, from other country if you can't find it online.
Even
And in
shops are
that
able to
situation
do that.
also, the middle dealers will charge more what they are charging in online. Like they'll be putting double amount as they'll tell some lie and they'll uh, gain more money by telling this is like abroad one and all. But in online, what we do is like they'll get from the company directly and we have all surveillances and laws for it.
Due to the satisfaction problems that even the big
Lot
e-commerce
of
sites like
frauds.
Amazon and Flipkart are doing the same, are building their own physical stores as well. So they are even the big chains are doing this. So you should think about it.
They
A
are not
lot of
maintaining only
frauds
for the
happen on online
fabrications and all.
shopping.
They are
Not
maintaining it for all everything, for electronic goods
Uh,
and whatever they may be.
yes,
Everything
if
for
you
they are maintaining warehouse
see, if
for
you
dispatching the items.
not the
if you find
warehouse. It's a shopping store they are building. It's not a warehouse. It's a shopping store. You can just scan. You can just go there and scan the item. Just pay for it and take it and get away from a shop. So it's not. It's not like what you have said warehouse.
That will take time, right? We won't be getting,
No,
as
no,
the
no.
opponents are
They are they
saying.
are they are building. There are many stores in US or even in India. They are planning like a big like anything in I think in the Bangalore or Mumbai, Bangalore I believe.
But
They
that is
have
not
they
developed
taken the
well.
place
It's
from
not
the
developed
government.
yet well. Like those are not developed yet. Like it takes
No,
more
they
time.
are lacking. They are lacking in serving through their app. So they are want to make a physical touch here. So they are building their own
Yeah,
own stores.
in
They are not
Delhi.
lagging, but the thing is that some of them prefer traditional shopping. For the sake of them, they are building that. It's not because of lagging and all. Even they can't. They can provide everyone. They can satisfy each customer.
But importing from other country, it will take around like the charges. It will take like 2,000 or 3,000. But they are building it like in the country so that it will be easy for everyone to buy it and afford it.
If you see an Alibaba, the big company in China, if you see that these are the things for mostly using by in China. If you see that even every store they have many stores of Alibaba, you can just find their product in online and offline as same, and you can just go and buy. So there are many stores. The business has been increased in the offline stores, not in online. They have seen a growth in their offline stores.
And one more thing to tell is like even in Amazon, whatever the online store, they're providing many members job facility. Like they're providing job. Like in Amazon factory, thousands of people work, but in one single shop, like at at most like 10 people work for a shop, or a shopping complex, 100 people. But delivery boys are surviving for that. The warehousing people are surviving in that situation, and the packages one, the plastic sellers and the cardboard boxes one, and like many things from the point to point, like they're providing job facility for all. But in stores, this stores, like we don't find, like maximum 10 members will be there in a store, right?
Okay. Yeah, you are telling that physical store requires more members to run. It's
How
not
many
that online
members? Like
store.
we just have 10 members in a store, right? Like
Okay.
whatever it might be, how many
How many
members
people
will
buy
be
in online? How many people? How many are going to offline? They are not. They are serving for a whole. If you just tell you an direct example, which is not
no,
related to
actually
e-commerce.
we are talking about that
WhatsApp. You do know about WhatsApp, right?
yeah.
WhatsApp will be running by just 100 persons
Okay,
across the globe.
sorry,
So
can you repeat the point once again?
the WhatsApp is running by 100. It's just 100 people are required to run the WhatsApp app.
Only
It's
100
like
developers, you mean?
It's just WhatsApp is a messaging app. In this, like we are like in online stores we are talking about. That is just
no, I
messaging.
just gave an
Even
example
Facebook
about
can
that.
be operated by a person, Mr. Zuckerberg. Like he can operate his own Facebook things and all. But WhatsApp is like just chatting thing that don't come here. Like, but
No, I just
rather
giving an
in
example. Let me complete first. I just
yeah,
giving an example that that's possible. There is a possibility that it can be run by it can be run by less persons. So it uh, it always does. E-commerce sites run as a whole. If you see the FTYs and the person who are running it, the employees, you'll find more employees outside, not in the online service providers, not in the online service providers.
we have around like for example, Amazon is providing many members job facility
I
from.
just I just simplify it. I just see
Yes,
how
please.
many employees does Amazon has
Maybe more
around
than 10
2
million.
lakh. No, it's not possible. Around 2 lakh,
Not
I believe.
Okay,
possible.
Around 2
okay,
lakh. I just take 2 lakh. I don't know exact figures.
okay.
Just two
For
lakhs.
example, in
If you
India or
see,
all
it is
over.
in India. Just in India, there how many are getting employment on physical stores? It should be more than 2 lakhs, right? That's one. That's it.
Valid
Yes,
point.
these physical
Valid
stores and
point.
Amazon.
Valid point. And what, like we buy from, like online people, we buy from you, right? You are like the online, like offline stores are working under us, like to get the things. Like basically, this all stores provide us the things. Like they work for us. Like we are paying them the
No, no, that
goods and all.
no, that's not right. Actually, the middle person who is called a dealer between offline and online, there is only one person called dealer. If you buy a laptop, there would be a dealer who can provide services. Okay, who can provide services to both online and offline. Who when we get the laptop, see, not for instance, my real life example, I would say, when I decided to buy a laptop, I decided to buy a gaming laptop and I purchased the item. Later it took me three working days to deliver the item. After, when I open it, it just opened. When I switch it on, I got someone's name. It's like a fraud. They sent me the used one. I replaced it, and later I got one more item. Even when I opened it, I suppressed that it has some display issue. even after
Add a few
when
points here.
yeah, 1 second.
Want to add a few points here?
Sean, 1
Okay.
second.
Nikhil. Okay.
Yeah, when even though I purchase in the online, lastly I got an item. See, these many times I have to return it and waste my time. If I go offline, I would save my time, and I could not wait for I would not wait for another couple of days to get the item also. See,
But
And
that's
one more
the
thing I would like to mention here, even if in offline store we can, if there is any physical damage, then the dealer will not accept it. If there is any internal damage, then he will send to service center. Whereas in same
both
scene will continue
both
in
same yeah, both same cases in offline or online, both cases they'll send to service center, not to
service
any
center.
other. Yeah.
Yes. Whereas
uh,
even the same thing will continue in offline store also, not only in online.
Just go with the clothes then. If you buy the clothes, you'll get the buy through online. You'll get the clothes and wear it for 2 to 3 days, and we have 7 days to return it.
No,
So
no,
you
no. They
use
will
it for
not
three
accept
days.
it. They will
no,
not
that
accept the
No.
like
used one.
1 second. I would like to
7
raise a
days is
point here. I would like
the
to
easy return policies is 7 days for
okay,
every
okay.
app. You
I
can
agree
go
with
through
the
and every
point what Mr. Shravan is saying is like the 7 days policy. We'll use that dress without taking a tag, right? They online have a policy that if you want to return it, you should return with the tag one. Like if the tag is
No,
not there,
it's not like it's not possible to wear through tags, right? Just
yeah,
after
that's what
wearing
like
that, it
people
won't be
won't wear,
fit.
right? People won't wear in this like
Who said people won't wear it? Instead of maybe the issue is with size. Why don't you tell that? So why don't they accept the return? They will.
Even in offline store, you will wear for trial, no?
It's sorry, it's better just 10 to 12, 20 minutes. Here in online, we can wait for 2 to 3 days and just
No, no,
return
no.
it.
no, no,
But
no.
No,
We
no, no.
can't return it. Like basically, when we
it
go
will
out, we
not.
go
It will
without
not.
tag, right? When we basically go out, we don't go with tag. If
So
we remove the tag,
what I'm telling is we don't wear it to tags. We just remove the
okay,
tags to that. Okay. Without with the tags we can't wear the clothes with tags.
okay,
It's okay for them to remove the tags for wearing. After wearing that, if you think that it's not fitting, you just return it. It's easy. You can use for your birthday
no,
or
no, no, no,
some occasional days.
not
Many
like that.
people are using it. Maybe you are not aware of it.
No,
I have
not
many
like
friends
that.
doing it.
Even I experienced myself when I bought the shirt or whatever it is. I wore with the tag and I'll check it and I'll return it back if it's not possible. Like we want, what I'm saying is when we go out, we don't go with the tag, right? In home, we'll just wear for our comfort purpose, first of all, to check it, is it good or not. So if it is not there, along with the tag, we'll send it to them. And if it is okay, we'll take that, we remove the tag and we'll wear for the occasion or whatever.
No. In while delivering, they'll fit everything in shirt. They'll fit some sponge or
Yeah.
needles, something. You should remove and wear it. That shows it's not possible to wear with the tags. Only just few companies are doing that due to such policies. You have seen Myntra, right? You all know about Myntra,
Yes.
right? They have first they had come with some different thing that they are allowed to wear and check. They just send the 2 to 3 types of different colors and dresses. You just wear, and what fits for you, you can keep it with you, and what which don't fit, you can return it. So
Okay,
there
that
are
is
many
good only,
policies
no?
like that.
That is good only, no? Like online is providing that facility for you to check and all. But if you go to shop, they won't give it to your home, right? To go to there and all.
The point
So
here
that is good
is
for
that
online only, no?
we are
There are
using for
trials.
many many purposes, and whatever we have used after sending it, they should sell it to another person, right? The another
Yeah,
person
Same thing
the
happens, right? Same thing
reusable.
happens in even retail shops also. Like the shops.
won't happen. You can't
No, it
wait
won't
for more than
happen.
half an hour.
You just wait.
That is different. Like here in
Some
home.
even let me tell me one
Do you
example.
think
I
he
have
will wash it and send it back?
No one will be watching.
He will.
Okay,
he will
sorry.
send
Nikhil.
it. He will.
No,
I will give the
not like
real time example. Recent I have faced in Decathlon. Decathlon, they will offer you 2 years warranty on each and every products, and also will give 30 days replacement one. I have my brother wore it for one day and then again returned for the next day. Like he's not comfortable in doing running and all. Even offline stores also will have that problem. Not only in
Only
online.
Decathlon is an exception. There are no other such. Decathlon is still developing, so they're making their product available. So they had come up with a different scenarios. Not any other shop will let you to do that. I said 80%.
And even I
shop don't
find
do that.
many clothes are like
Okay. I want to answer the before Surya mentioned something. Sorry, my opponent team mentioned something that it will be helpful if we have an option to choose between the different clothes if we get an option. So that's the main reason Myntra went into bankrupt and sold to Flipkart. They are not able to run their business. They sold to Flipkart. That's
For
it.
public for public purposes, they are doing. Public only will do means how the companies will work.
like
Like
the
nowadays,
Myntra
people
came
are
in with a
very
like Myntra came it with a
sharp.
good cost,
There is
but
no
we are
scope
misusing it.
without doing such innovative things. Not helpful for the people. They're just making the
Even in
people.
offline store, there is a problem of theft. Like nowadays, they are taking security measures, but previous they have many of my friends also theft from big shopping malls.
God, yeah,
There
that
are
is
cameras
possible.
there.
Expensive things might be lost. It will
I have
lead
tell the
to
real example in Chennai. What happened in Chennai? Like it's a manufacturer of banyan factory. Like most of the banyans are missing from the factory. Like what the employees are.
Yeah, I'm just they are these people are telling that the theft only happens in the stores. It won't happen in the warehouses. Are you saying
Yeah,
that?
Most of
warehouse of
warehouses.
online.
That is no.
see,
That is
actually, most of the
No,
frauds
Not
happen in
it comes
online.
under supply chain
warehouses
part of the
just
e-commerce,
give
right?
like
Most of
we buy here directly, but when we go to a shop, like that theft might happen there. Like valuable
Like
There
the
are
things
normal loss
also.
we
Nowadays, there are camera in every shop. It's not like small to small shop. There are cameras.
Like a
true,
person is
they're
wearing a
becoming
mask.
viral.
Nowadays, people are wearing mask. Like people can't check who is coming. If I'll wear a cap or a person wear a cap and a mask and a glove, like
Okay, you
goggles,
are under
we can't
surveillance.
find
You
right.
have you are under camera. You just find while entering the stores. Maybe you
and
That
I
is
would
forgot.
not
like
possible.
to mention
Thefts
one
are
point.
happening very easy in offline stores. Like the thefts are easy, literally. Like expensive things are lost
We
like
can find them
anything.
easily. We can find them easily. You have
But
your Aadhaar card, right? Just
Why will we
it's
give
not an
Aadhaar card for
one day
coming
task for
sport?
police to find who came and who went out. It won't take more than
Okay,
no one
why
will
will
close
we
your
give
full face, right?
why will we
No
give
one
our
will.
Aadhaar
At
card
least
to
I
the
should be
shopping
open.
person?
At least I should be open while entering the shop or any
We
store.
can wear
The eyes
goggles,
are
right?
enough
We
to
can we can
find out
wear
who is
goggle,
there.
right? Goggles, dark shade goggles. Like we can't find the people, right?
Not
but
everyone
they
wear goggles, right?
That's what. It's an exceptional case. We are talking about the theft. What who as a thief is doing, but that is
Like
not
the thief
possible,
will
right?
in case of clothes and all, like the thief will not catch in hand. Like he will wear inside of that shirt. We
And
can't
he'll
find
wear a
it.
hoodie or whatever it is happening.
Yeah,
No, I
we can't
haven't
find
seen
it.
any theft, any thief wearing
Oh,
wearing these
like
goggles.
no one will tell, no. Like I'm a thief. I'm like stealing this. No one will
but
tell, no.
like nowadays shop has this sensor like branded items. They'll have something like
Yes, I
metal.
expected this question. I expected this question. I have a thing like we have a tapping method for it. Like we have a small metal for it. If you remove from the tag, it will automatically will
But
not sound.
really, only the billing counter will have that machine to remove that. And
It
if
is
the
very
thief is
easy. It is very easy to remove that. Like it
I
is
just
no
want
very
to
no
easy.
give you I just want to give an example here. Even on the shirt buttons, you'll find some tags, right? Even if you take button out of these, it's a real example which we have gone through. My nephew brought while playing. She's a small girl. She bought some what is that button shed button by playing it, and she just kept in her pocket and went with her parents. So the alert
the
system
But
has
the
recognized that.
only clothes are having that thing, right? But that
No, no,
small plate.
just a small button. Just a small button. I want to say it. Just a small button.
Okay, for example, what about the chocolates and expensive chocolates which are imported from abroad or all? Like they'll keep it for hygiene purpose in
some
a safe place. They won't stick
are
anything to that, right?
See, some
Like
are
that will be
exception
stolen in that situation.
some are exceptional cases, but then like normally every brand, they have that thing, and it's really hard to remove. And if we go out like without paying the bill, it with the sensor, it will automatically ring.
Like we have tapping methods for that. Like thieves are very clever nowadays. Like they are
Yeah,
now
but the
sensor. Like see, everything has like the thing to solve. Like a positive thing has to solve, and
If you want to, if I just want to mention it. In online, it's happening trend. It's easy to. There is an easy possibility of theft. I just explain the things. They're buying the iPhone or some expensive things or mobiles or clothes. They're just replacing it with another one and using removing some parts of it. Not mobile and other clothes or some products. Just sending it as we got defective and it's not working and different. They are telling that
there
they are
is
for different reasons. We are rejecting this.
Even many
So
companies
this
are
is the
providing warranty for this. You can go for service center. Even in case there is a more chance for offline stores, they can replace it. Like they are more familiar with that parts and all. Whereas in case delivery boy that is doesn't know this motherboard and all this stuff.
but some of the people, they pay they pay the for the iPhone and all, they'll pay it before, like they'll pay from debit or credit card from online. And if they get other item, like if the delivery boy or something, they'll send something else. And if they don't agree for return,
many of the transactions are failing in online. You just see
Wait,
the message,
to
use
get
a
your
message
money
that
back, it
money
takes
yeah,
got
just
debited
our
and
money
you
got
don't get.
debited, but then they'll not send the item, and we need to
no,
call
we
them
can we
like
can call like if the as my opponent is saying that transactions are not happening. We'll have transactions like crores and crores of monies are transporting from India to other countries. Like that will happen. Like we don't lose our money if we call to the customer care and all.
but
Will like
there
he'll
is
say where
more
is
fraud.
happening,
Okay,
where
if
it is
there are
happening.
that
There is more
they
fraud
just
online
assure you
than
for
that
less
offline.
than 20,000, I believe. I don't know the exact these things, but they won't assure you if you get debited with a lakhs. They won't do anything in this case. They just raise a case, raise a request, and file a complaint. That's it. They don't refund you the lakhs due to theft or something happened through your
No,
transaction
not
to
about the
online.
lakhs, not about the lakhs. Small amounts also we are getting that. Like in online, our money will be visualized. Like we can see where is our money going, to whom it's going. We can easily find out what's happening there. But in offline cases, if we have cash in our hand, someone may take.
Recent
They may tell this is our money.
It's a recent scenarios. If you see, you get many messages from Amazon. There, if you send this message to 5 people, you'll get a free product. So these type of scams are increasing. So for these types of scams, you won't get
most
any of the
most of the
refund
frauds happening from the
online.
online shopping only.
The people should be aware of that. Anywhere we are getting, like everything will be done right. Okay, if I'll go to a shopping mall,
Technology is
they'll tell us like what they'll tell is like, please fill this, you'll get a lucky draw. But everyone who filled it, they'll get lucky draw. And what they'll tell, like we have a scheme that you need to take. We'll send you to some so and so place. You need to like do that and all. You need to pay. Like rather losing money here, like in online, like here in offline, we lose around many money, like
there are
unnecessary
less
money.
chances. There are less chances. You are able to see the person. You can
Chances of
take a
losing
snap
money
of
is
him. He is under CCTV surveillance and all those things we can see them.
Okay. Thanks everyone. Thank you for giving me opportunity to participate in this debate. Let me conclude with some more points. In everything there is pros and cons in every section, in everything. When coming to this online and offline shopping, I will talk about online shopping. Pros, like it save times and it will give delivery to our home. Like we don't need to travel here and there. In Adidas store there will be no Nike and all. Like in online we can find everything in the app itself. And moreover we can import some products from abroad also. Like it's best platform to visit to buy each and every cloth item or fabrication, whatever the case may be. Whereas frauds happens like it's not happening from the Amazon or Flipkart sites. It's happening from the delivery boy side. Like it's exceptional. Like the cases may be one or two. Whereas in offline stores also we can find many things like price will be high because they have to involve this all costs. Even security costs also they have to involve. So that the price will be high. In offline, we can get direct delivery from the agent itself, so that the price will be low. Those who don't have time and those who don't want to visit here and there, it's the best platform to visit online store. This is what I would like to mention.
I want to conclude with a few points here. It's always I always suggest everyone to prefer the offline mode more than online. It's better. It's due to introduction of the changing technology, due to introduction of e-commerce websites. It's worsening the health habits of people, and people's getting everything in the place they sit, but it's worsening the health habits. It's also there is a possibility that you don't get a quality product if it's mainly on necessities of what you eat and mainly in groceries. So it's not possible to check it through online, the quality. So just prefer give more importance to the offline than online. I'm not telling that just with just technique ignore the online. It should be run. It should be run besides it, but offline should have upper hand. That's all.